Life can move so quickly with schedules, to-do lists, daily tasks, and unexpected things that pop up. We spend more and more time on our phones, our computers, in meetings, or even just scrolling, and less time doing what truly brings us joy. Taking time to do something you enjoy, especially something creative, can positively benefit your mental health. But it can be difficult knowing where to start or how to find the time. Hi, I'm Lori George, an artist, a teacher, and a mom, and I know what it feels like to be overwhelmed, burned out, or exhausted from the day-to-day busyness of life. Creativity has played such an important role in my life, in my efforts to manage stress, anxiety, and grief, by providing me a way to express myself and find peace through mindful, tactile experiences. Playing with color, textures, and mark making makes me feel alive and gives me not only a break from the day-to-day, but also a little boost for dealing with whatever is to come. This is why I'm so excited to introduce UNBOUND by Archerandolive. This program is designed to remove barriers and give you everything you need to start benefiting from your creativity for your mental wellness. As your guide through this creative journey, I have planned fun, approachable projects and a valuable creative experience that I hope will leave you feeling encouraged, enlightened, and unbound.